Today, I'm gonna show you how to remove these pesky emblems and how to get it clean and make it look like it was never there before. I use dental floss to get behind the badge without damaging the paint. I think I flossed my car more than I flossed my teeth. And the spray of choice today is some Goo Gone spray. So not wanting to go to the store, I use this vacuum attachment to start scraping off some of the gunk left behind. The switch was made to the emblem itself. It was a poor choice because I ended up scraping off a little tiny bit of paint. But I have no worries about scraping the paint off because I am due to paint my entire car. Thanks for watching the video, guys. As always, smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Also, don't mind me flossing my teeth with this dental floss. I swear this is new floss. Maybe it's not new floss. Did I get new floss or is this the same? I think this is the same stuff I used on the car. That's healthy.